Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, Kilo Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the Tectonic, yes. AKA Jigsaw Sudoku. And this will be number 8359. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. This one has 16, so I think it's a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes, or maybe a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, 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 and there are single boxes. Always a 1. Here 1, there 1, here 1, and there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, yeah, this also, this box is already given with a 5. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, more quadra boxes? No, only 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see. Yeah, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember the T shape. When you see the T shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Okay. And the final shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting. Filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Alright. Then this box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. And also these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. This one is also connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. And now, mark those 2 boxes with 5. We have a 5 now. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then, let me see. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alright. Then, let me see. Come on. Need a 1 here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. Okay. Let me go up. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Mark those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also a 2. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this corner box, one number 4. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And 5 on the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3. And 4, 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box level 3 in this area should be there. Then I have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And 4, 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Alright, and now let me see. Need a 2 here, 2 there. Alright, come on. 1 and a 5. Yeah. 3. Need a 2 here. Well, this box can be 2. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 1 or a 2. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 4. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left in this area. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, told you. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow on Sunday. We have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the afternoon. And in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.